Hello everyone. Welcome back to SCON Design India Private Limited. If you are planning to build a house, villa, apartment, commercial space, this video for you. One of the most important but often overlooked step before construction is soil investigation. Today our team is at BEML Layout Kundanali Gate, Bengaluru, conducting soil investigation for Mr. Jagadish Reddy's project, conveying our board test points. But why is soil testing so important? Because every plot of land is different. Some sites have hard rock, other have soft clay or a high water table. Without understanding these conditions, designing a safe and economical foundation becomes difficult. A professional soil investigation helps engineers determine the soil bearing capacity, identify soil layers, estimate groundwater levels, recommended the right foundation type of reduce the risk of future settlement or cracks. Although soil testing is a small portion of the total construction cost, it can prevent expensive problems later. It gives structural engineers the information they need to design a strong, safe, cost effective foundation. At SCON Design India Private Limited, we believe every success project begin with accurate site data. Our experienced team follows standard testing procedures and ensure every investigation is carried out with precision. After completing the fieldwork, samples and test result are analyzed and a detailed geotechnical report is prepared for the design team. In addition to soil investigation, we offer land survey, topographical survey, boundary survey, total station survey, DGPS survey, drone survey, 3D laser scanning, BIM modeling, CAD drawing, and quality surveying. Whether your project is residential, commercial, or industrial, our goals is to deliver reliable data and professional engineering solutions. If you are planning to a new construction project in and around Bangalore, free feel to contact SCON Design India Private Limited. Please like, share, subscribe to our channel for more surveying, construction and engineering content. Thank you for watching and we will see you in our next project video.